People are practically glued to their smartphones. So why are you still focusing solely on traditional landing pages for your opt-in and lead conversion? Let's be real, you're spending hours and days creating landing pages, setting up funnels, and crafting emails, all in the hopes of capturing a few more leads. And while you're doing all of this, your audience is on their mobile devices, waiting for a faster, smoother, mobile-first experience. What if I told you that with KlickTree, you could stop spending hours on traditional landing page design? Say goodbye to the need for desktop versions of your pages. No longer worry about slow load times and high bounce rates. Stop settling for lower conversion rates. Avoid wasting your ad spend on ineffective marketing strategies. No longer miss out on the massive mobile audience. With KlickTree, you can finally capitalize on the big mobile shift happening right now. Tools are designed to help you build AI-powered mobile-first pages quickly and easily, resulting in high conversion rates and a whole lot more business for you. Benefits you'll get with using KlickTree. Mobile-first approach. As more and more people use their phones to browse the internet, KlickTree ensures your business is ready to meet them where they are. No need for desktop pages or funnels anymore. Quick and easy setup. With the power of AI and ChatGPT, you can set up high-converting pages within minutes, even if you're not tech-savvy. No complicated coding or design skills needed. High conversion rates. KlickTree's optimized pages can convert 1 out of every 2 leads into clients. That's potential for a whole lot more business and income for you. AI power. KlickTree has ChatGPT integration to structure and write your page content in minutes. Better email reach. With KlickTree, you're more likely to have your emails land in your prospects' inboxes. Call identification. Your prospects will know when you're calling, increasing the chances they'll pick up. Increased opt-in rates. KlickTree's optimized pages can help triple your opt-in rates, building a bigger audience for your business. Fast results. Not only can you set up your pages quickly, but you'll also see quick results in terms of leads and conversions. Positive ROI on ads. KlickTree helps ensure that every dollar you spend on ads works harder for you, leading to a positive return on investment. Unlimited traffic. With KlickTree, you'll never run out of traffic, ensuring a steady stream of potential customers. Accelerated business growth. With features like referral marketing, KlickTree helps your business grow faster. Versatile templates. Whatever your market or niche, KlickTree has done for you templates that will fit your business needs. Competitive advantage. KlickTree lets you jump ahead of your competition, grabbing your share of the market before they do. No need for a product or list. KlickTree works even if you don't have your own products, followers, or email list. Mobile phone building. You can build your KlickTree pages right from your mobile phone. No need for a computer. Long-term relationship building. KlickTree ensures your contact details are in your prospects' phones, helping to build long-term relationships. KlickTree is now available for an early bird price plus my special coupon code. Use my coupon for $8 off the early bird price, and make sure you grab it before the discount expires soon. Don't wait and grab it now. Visit the link in the description box to check out the demo and see how you can set up high-converting mobile pages in minutes.